Let's make a sleek ponytail using my attachment signature bounce. What I did first on her hair was to relax the hair, and the video is up on my page. You can go there and watch it. In today's sleek ponytail, we're doing weave at the front, then sleek at the back. Mom booked an appointment for her around 3, and when she came back from school, they headed straight to the salon. Not too long into the hair or more, she started sleeping, which I totally understand because they headed straight from school to the salon for her hair. I know it's going to be stressful for me to get her hair done while she's sleeping, but still I understand because from school, which is they might have gone to school early in the morning, stay till 3 p.m. So of course she need that sleep. It's stressful, I won't lie, because I needed someone to hold the hair for me so I can do the weave very well. Making this stitch braid was a little bit stressful for me because I had to be collecting the extension myself and also be braiding the hair myself. Her mom actually picked the style for her, and when they sent the side inspo and I gave them costing, she wanted to change the style. At first she was saying it is too pricey, but I needed to break it down to let her know that we are doing weave and also sleek ponytail, including my attachment signature bounce. Making kids hair is not that easy, or it is super stressful, and probably because I've been posting a lot of kids hair, they are coming back to back. So tell me now, how do I stop making kids hair? Because I also love styling them. When it is time for me to do the sleek ponytail, I needed her to stay awake, so I told her to stand up and walk around for a bit and probably chew gum so she can be awake. Her mom was just looking at me when I said she should stand up, walk around, and somehow chew gum if possible, and lucky for us, the mom had gum, so we had to give her to start chewing the gum. Sometimes I don't like when the parents are around while I'm styling them because the kind of eyes they'll be kind of look you, and sometimes it is important they're around so they can see the procedure, the stress, and how it is done. From the stitch while I was weaving it, she was already feeling the hair. I can see the excitement on her face. The gel I use in making this hair is the Hair by Any and my Cosmo gel. That is the gel I've been using for the longest now. And then again, if I tell you that I used 3 hours getting this hair done, you will not believe me, because you might probably think that is it not just stitch braid and sleek ponytail? The only reason why I'm gonna use 3 hours to get this hair done is because I was actually filming and working together. So of course I can use 1 hour, 2 hours minimum getting this hair done, but don't forget we actually did retouch before we started the whole process. Proceeding to using my attachment signature bounce. While I was done with the sleek ponytail and I asked my girls to help with the signature attachment bounce, they did something I never taught them. You know that anger that comes with when you tell somebody to do something for you and they did the direct opposite of what you asked them to do. It's not like it's the first time I've given them that job to do or the second time, so I was just surprised why they were not able to do exactly what I taught them. I was so angry, but I had no choice but to look for a solution, which is to redo the coils all over again. I was so angry because I actually work with time, so if I say I'm doing this job for 2 hours, 2 hours is 2 hours, so then making me to redo everything all over again, that's extra time. But all good, it's all about the experience and how my day went that particular day. I added a lot of styling mousse and oil sheen because I want the curls to last her for a period. Then I trimmed it to give it this super double drum vibe. Who say hair is not the glory of a lady or a girl? Jesus, beauty. Let me know in the comments if the mom picked the right choice of hair and what you think about this look. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.